Guys, welcome everybody. In this video I will show you exactly how I doubled an account. I just flipped an account this week. The setup I looked for, I was able to do that. Everything I prepare for, everything I'm going to show you exactly, so you can always do that for yourself according to demand. So I said I'll be doing a video and explaining everything to you how you can do such. Either you want to flip an account, or you want to double account, or you want to pass your profile within just 1 or 2 days. These are the setup that you should be looking out for that will definitely help you to do such without blowing off or violating account or losing your money. All right, let's go into it, guys. So actually been monitoring GBPUSD, GBPJPY actually for a couple of weeks. Last week it did all buying. It was just a trending buy, retest, buy, retest, just doing a buy, just buying and buying and higher high, lower, 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 higher high, higher, lower, higher, lower, lower, till we got here. That was on Wednesday. And then Wednesday afternoon, it did a Mongos. This Mongos sell came in. I was thinking it would stop here, but it took away this our last low, this support here. I took it away. I came here immediately. I saw it exhausting around this point. I knew that what there is a need for a buy. There's a need for a what, a correction. Am I talking? There's a need for a correction. This Mongo. So I was already preparing for the correction. So I actually waited for it. I waited for it till the next day. Therefore, till the next day, I saw this. Now I saw this. I saw this on. This was printing out uh, Tokyo, doing Tokyo section. It's already doing this doing Tokyo. I knew it's not ready. I saw this. I knew no, no, it's not ready because I'm used to the market. I knew it's not ready for buy yet, because whenever there is a mongos like that, market takes time. I should tell people that what market can use 30 minutes or 1 hour to move, and it can use 10 hours to do correction. So market spent more times in doing correction than it moves. So that means that is, if you're spending hours on the chart, you're doing yourself, because market will only move within 1 hour or 2 hours. That's all. So it is meant to have what, to study how it flows, how it started from, so you can know when to enter. So at this point, market was already doing this. Market was already doing this during the Tokyo. I wake up to check it. I saw it. I saw this too during London, and I knew this market has gone up, need to come down, so I can be able to look for entry around close to New York. Market was already doing this and did this. So after that, I waited for this. I wasn't thinking this one will come down here, so I can enter around here. So immediately I saw this Mongos, this sharp buy here, push. Then I entered the district test. I entered. That was my confirmation. I entered immediately. That was my confirmation. I entered and I placed my stop loss below here. So this setup was the setup I used to flip an account just this week actually. I saw it. I knew that this is a sure setup for me, because I'm used to it. I've traded it before. Over and over time, I have seen such over and over time, and I'm familiar with it. So whenever I trade it, I always use it to make money. So these are the things you use to flip accounts. What you have traded before, not just a setup you don't understand, or what you have never traded before, or something you never know, and you just blow your account off. You blow your this thing away. Okay, so that is one of the things I do. Okay, and I believe it will be helpful for you. Also, I want to say, if you're just joining us for the very first time, you're watching for the very first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell, so you can always get valuable videos like this. Also, if you want to join our community, we have a family on Telegram that will definitely help you with drop education training texts, and more importantly, signals every blessed day. I think this week we dropped about 27 signals. Yes, 27 signals. We lost just two and we won 25 signals. After 27, we won 25. We lost just two. That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. So you wouldn't want to miss something like that. So look at the link in my bio, or look at the link in the description. So I can send it to you, so you can join our Telegram for free. It's free actually. It's free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things today. If you have a question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section. I will definitely attend to you, or any of our support will attend to you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now, guys.